Footnote 1 of Table 312.6b states conductors entering the enclosure through the back must be measured from the point of entry to the enclosure to the line of the lugs or bus bar. For a single 600 kc mil conductor entering the CT cabinet from the back, the measurement would be as follows. Firstly, measure 12 inches, deducting 3 inches as per footnote 2. A. From the point where the conductor enters the cabinet back. Secondly, draw a vertical line from the lug. Thirdly, measure the distance from the end of the 12-inch line to the lug. This measurement determines the required spacing. For three-phase conductors, the measurement would be similar for each phase. Draw a vertical line for each conductor and measure the spacing as described above for each phase. The nipple hole should be high enough above the lug to allow for the proper bending radius of the conductor without touching the lug. The minimum bending radius for 600 kc mil copper conductors is 15 inches according to Table 310.15. 8.16. Therefore, the nipple hole should be at least 15 inches above the top of the lug. For 600 kc mil conductors and a 2500 amp service, the measurement from the entry point to the lug should be 12 inches. The spacing for single phase should also be 12 inches. The nipple hole height should be at least 15 inches above the lug. These measurements and requirements are based on the minimum spacing and bending radius specified in the National Electrical Code. Local codes or additional requirements may vary. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician and local authorities for specific guidance.